All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you all doing? Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So today we'll be building a Telegram bot using Python. So any one of you here is a beginner, never coded before, never coded before, never. Beginner, okay, no problem. Are you familiar with if statements, functions, loops? A little bit. Okay, that's good. This workshop is for beginners as well. So, alhamdulillah, we have our beginner here. Anybody from the online meeting is a beginner. Just type in chat. I can see. There's no problem. Okay. All right. So, all right. That's good. Good to see. Good to see. Inshallah, this workshop will help you to solidify your basics understanding and hopefully set you on track to become a better developer, especially in Python and with working with APIs and packages in Python. All right, so we'll get started now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and look up Replit. So Replit is a website that will allow you to code online. It provides an online IDE, so you don't have to install anything. So basically, you get on the website, you log in, and this will be your home screen. Yes? Oh, oops. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do, as I showed just now, you're gonna want to go to Google, look up Replit, and then click on the first link you see. This will take you to a website that provides an IDE and a way to host your application online, so you don't have to buy any servers or anything like that. This is all completely free too. If you want to host bigger applications, you're gonna have to pay, but this will be just fine for today. All right, so after you log in, this will be your home screen. You'll get redirected to this home screen. This will be like your dashboard. So over here, you can check out your replets, your previous projects, all this. There's also community here and all this good stuff. All right, so now we're going to create our first replit. We're going to use a Python template, and we're going to call it my first program or my first project. All right, now you press enter, and it'll create a replit for you. All right. Okay, so anybody here familiar with consoles, shells, and IDEs? Have you used an IDE before? Never. Okay. So an IDE is an integrated development environment. This allows you to run your code, or actually have your code, write your code, and then it'll run it for you. All right. So this one does not run on your local machine. It runs on the web. So it doesn't use any of your local resources. It does not use up your CPU, your memory, or anything like that. So over here we have our console. So this will be where our output will be. And this will be our shell where we can interact with the console. All right. Any questions from the meeting? Anybody on the meeting? You can just open your mic. Any questions? No questions? All right. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is install some prerequisites. Okay, so for now, we're going to install one library. It's called Telepod. This will basically allow us to interact with the Telegram library. So using this library, we'll have some functions that will be useful for us. All right, so you can follow me here. We're going to pip install Telepod. Great, and press enter here in the shell, and it will download some packages. If you see this, that means it's working. That's good. But if you don't, just let me know, and you can share your screen, and I'll see what I can do. Right. Sorry? Telepod. Yeah, so Telepot. Telepod. So this is the command. Right, so pip install Telepod. Who here knows what pip is? Pip. Hold on. For our first sticker. here for everybody who missed out on the physical event. What is PIP? Packet Manager? What does it stand for? No, you're that's a different industry, bro. Yes, correct. Package installer for Python. Here's your sticker. Nice. Okay, so those of you online, what does it stand for? I'm looking at the chat. Nobody's typing. Hello, Mr. Shred. Packet installer. Yes. So pip is a Python package install. Oh, sorry, package installer for Python. So PIP is package installer Python. Yes. All right. Now that we've installed our package, we can go ahead and get started with our code. So we're going to go here into our main.py file. All right, and we're going to import helipod. All right. And disregard the lines that just popped up there. This is the AI feature in Replit. It can it basically tries to complete your code or like give you. Wow, look at that! You can press tab and like it'll generate all this code for you. It's really cool. So we can use this feature to give us an idea or give us inspiration for what we want to add into our program. Okay. All right. So has everybody imported their pip? Okay. Package installer Python. Yes. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna go to Telegram and look up botfather. Can you all do that? So you're gonna go to Telegram, go to the search bar, and look up botfather. This is a reference to the funny movie, Godfather. Okay. All right. Is anybody experiencing issues? No problems so far? Okay, that was good. All right, now you're going to type in the command new bot. It'll ask you, what are you going to call it? And we need to make sure that at the end of our name, it ends with bot. So let's say, my name is Malik, so Malik's bot. Let's see if that name is taken. Okay, this is the name of our bot. And we need to give it a username. So it must end in bot like this. Okay, no problem. So for our username, we can just Malik's bot, for example. Username already taken, so we'll just add something. Huh? Okay, we got our bot. And now we got our access token right here. Okay, is everybody good till now, for now? Oh yeah, of course. I don't know if I can. Okay, no problem. So you just create type the command new bot, and it'll ask you like, what's the name of the bot? What do you want it to be called? And it'll let you choose a username for it too.
Brother,
Yes.
can you show it on the screen because I don't understand.
Okay. My apologies. I was streaming the window, not the thing. Okay, no problem. All right, so we're gonna go to Telegram. Type the command new bot right here. And it'll prompt you, what are you gonna call this bot? And you give it a bot, you give it a name, and then you give it a username right here. All right. Is everybody good? All right. Okay. Now after you give it a username, it'll give you this message, this congratulations message. It basically just means you've created your bot successfully and now you have access to the API. It'll give you this link or this key. This is what we call an API key. This is what we're going to use to interact with the Telegram API. All right, so you need to go ahead and copy this and go back to your IDE You're gonna comment it in. So paste it in like this. Disregard the auto-recommended or auto-generated code there. All right. Is everybody good for now? Everybody online? You all good?
So far, so good.
Okay. All right. All right. Now we're gonna create an object. Call it MyBot or another bot in this case. In this object, we're gonna use. Oh, look at this. The AI generated code is correct. So we're gonna call the function or call the library teleport. And inside the library, we want to access the bot function. This allows us to create an object, a bot object, right? So, and then inside the brackets, we're gonna pass in our API key. So this key right here, we're gonna copy this, come down here and paste it. So don't worry if your API key is different than mine. It has to be different than mine because every bot has a unique code, and it's different for everybody. So you don't have to worry if it's different. Okay. All right. Is that okay for everybody? Is everything okay so far? You all good? Brother, you okay? It's too small, huh? This better? You think it'd be better if we turn off the light? Is this better?
Sorry, brother.
Yes, brother.
Is that the bot's name or the username? Malik Sport.
This is just the name of the object that I'm gonna call it. It can be different. In your ID, you can name it as anything you want. You can be like,
Oh, anything. Or just
you
like
can name it
variable.
anything, yeah, any variable, yeah.
Okay.
So for now, just to show you that you can use anything, we're gonna use this name, Big Funny 123, as our bot object. All right, all's good. Okay. All right. Who here knows what a function is? All right. Can you tell me what a function is?
Function that sets
Sorry.
parameters.
Okay.
You can utilize these parameters.
Okay, that's part of a function. A function is essentially a set of instructions that you can pass it parameters, and it can do something with those parameters or just do something in general. It doesn't need parameters, but you can provide a parameter. That's one of the features of a function. So usually it executes instructions and returns something, but if it doesn't return something, it still executes some sort of instruction. So in our case, we're going to define a function. We're going to call it action. All right, we're going to give it an input as the message. This will be the name of our function for now. And yes, look at the auto-generated text. If you don't have to worry about it for now. But we're gonna, after we define our function, we're gonna set our chat ID. So this message variable is actually a list, or a frame as they call it in pandas. So you're gonna take inside the message frame, you're gonna access the chat ID. So like this. Don't worry about the syntax if it doesn't make sense. It's just weird like that. Okay, is everybody good so far? Yahya, you good? All right. All right, you all good? All right. Now for our second line, we'll extract the command from outside of our function. Oh, this indentation is wrong. Okay. I just need to fix the indentation here. It's weird. All right. Okay, now we're gonna extract the command from our list, from our function, from our input, I mean. So we're gonna come here, we're gonna extract the text. So automatically the list knows what is the chat ID, or the computer will know what the chat ID is from the message variable. And then here it'll extract the text. So anything that's not the chat ID or the other things. All right. So far, good? All right. Good? Online people, are you all good?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Hafiz. Okay, okay. All right, so we're going to go back to our IDE. We're going to write our first if statement. So here, we're going to check if the command is equal to hello. So if we want to write to the bot hello, we're going to do whatever here. For now, let's just have pass. All right. Are you guys okay? So here, just comparing if the command, what we extracted from our message, from what the user sent, is equal to hello. So if the user sent the message hello, we will execute this. All right. All right. Now here, if you want the bot to respond to hello in a certain way, we can go here, big funny 123 dot send message. We're gonna pass our chat ID. Then our text is hello or hi, anything you would like. So this is just a greeting. It's very simple, very basic greeting. All right. Okay, now, is everybody good, by the way? All is good? Sorry? Chat? Chat ID. It's just the unique identification key for every chat that you receive, because the way these APIs work is that they number, or they give every chat message a unique number, a unique identifier, so that you can access it, or when you respond, you know which chat ID to respond to. So let's say me and you are having a chat, like on Telegram. You go to Yahya, right? So I'm going to use your chat ID, not Yahya's chat ID, right? That's essentially the gist of it. Oops. Oh, look at this. The auto-completed code did some cool stuff. So the what's it called? The big advantage of using Replit is that they introduced generative AI into the coding, or into the IDE. So it'll literally generate for you whatever you want. So you can type Control-I and just prompt it, like anything. Print, like, or you can just ask it to do anything. Print hello world. So you accept the suggestion, and then you get the code here, right here. It's very nice. But for now, we won't use it. Later, I will show you an AI that we can use, that we will use to create some data for us. Because who wants to communicate with another API for data? That's really boring and tedious. All right, so now we need to write this. In order for our bot to work, we need to call a function, or sorry, not my bot, funny dot message loop. So this is for the bot to keep checking if there's a new message. Okay, so we don't want the bot to just check for the message once, right? We want it to keep going. All right. Now, once you've done that, we want to pass in this dictionary. We want the chat, then the action, which is the function that we're going to execute from the chat. So, yeah. From the chat component, this is the only function we execute. We execute the action function, right? All right. Now, if you run this, it'll work, but it'll only check your code for like a limited amount. So, or like for a limited time. So right here, it's working. First, it's going to install. Yeah, so it starts. It's going to install our imported library right here, teleport. It installed it, and then, yeah, so we're using version 12.7. It'll update it, resolve it, and then everything's done. After that, it'll go here and execute this. So what we want is for our program to continuously be running, right? We don't want it to stop running after checking one message, because it'll check for like 1 second or a few seconds, and it'll stop. It'll exit after this. We don't want that. So what we're going to do, we're going to do while true, which is to basically create an infinite loop. And up here, we're going to import from time import sleep. All right, so we're going to import the sleep library so that we can have a little like buffers, like time. So we want it to sleep for 1 second in our main loop. So after 1 second, the while true will stop. So it'll execute for 1 second, and it'll stop. It'll keep repeating forever. So after this, is everybody good, by the way? Online peeps? This is the full code. All is good? All right. So now that we have our while loop set up, we can go ahead and start running. So now our app is continuously running. Every 1 second, or every time it executes, it'll sleep for 1 second. So we're going to go to our Telegram. We're going to go to our bot, which is given in the congratulation or in the text sent by the bot file. We're going to click on it. It'll open up the chat with our bot. We're going to press start. Okay, so for now, we don't have anything to do with start. So is everybody there? Everybody using their bot's chat? All right. Okay, here we said if there's a hello in our text, or if our text is hello, we want to send back hi, right? So what we're going to do here is type in hello. And it responds to us with hi. You can add it to do many things. So we're going to be like, my name is. We're going to have the bot check with, have the bot ask the user, or if the user asks us, what's your name? If the user asks the bot, what's your name? It'll respond with, my name is Big Funny 123. So this code is generated, so I just press tab, and it'll generate it for you automatically. Now we need to stop the code from running, stop the program from running, and then run it again. Okay, so this is our new command that we tested, that we just added, sorry. This is the first one, right? Was everybody good so far? Okay. Now we're gonna go here. We're gonna write, what's your name? This, it'll respond with Big Funny 123. Or we can change it to anything we want. We'll stop the code one more time and run it so that it updates. All right. Is everybody good so far? Sorry? You want to look at the code? Okay, yeah, sure, of course. All right, so we'll have a 2-second break. Go ahead and sip on your WOW tea. And for those of you online, check out our leaflet. So this is WOW tea. They sponsored us today. For those of you who missed out on the physical event, missed out on some nice tea. It was really nice. As you can see here, we have our cups, everybody. Yeah, so WOW tea is a great company. They're all like friends of mine. They make great adani tea, if you know what that is. It's like traditional Arabic tea. It's really nice. It's mixed with milk and has saffron inside. You know, for those of you who are interested, do call them or check them out. Call them here, scan this QR, screenshot this, scan the QR. Or you can check out their stall at Kairos, second level, at the student center here at IIUM. What's up? Can you share your screen? Are you in the meeting? Can you enter the meeting? Are you in the Discord? If you check the Discord announcements, the link should be there. or the WhatsApp announcement. The link should be there. Just let me know where you're in the meeting, and then I'll show you how to fix the error.
Sorry, brother.
Yes, brother.
How to reset the bot?
How to reset?
Because like this is like if statement, right?
Yes.
I want to start over, like from start.
Okay. So what you're gonna do is stop the bot, edit your code. Right. You want to add more commands, right? But it's not working.
Yeah, the second command. I tried the second command and it's not working.
Okay, no worries. First, you're gonna stop the bot. Click here on the button that was here, and then click run again.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it should work.
And then at the Telegram, just do you have to put an additional comment?
No, nothing else. Just stop your code and run again, because you need to run it every time you update it, right?
Okay.
Or you need to update the Telegram so that it knows which commands you want every time you will add a command. Sorry? Line 17. So I don't want to get too into the technical details, but this is basically so that the bot knows to continuously check for messages. We don't want it to just check once and then stop, right? We don't want it to check the messages once and then go do something else. We want it to continuously keep checking. We do this by the while loop here, the infinite loop, and then this command right here. All right, is everybody good? Brother, did the solution work for you? Is your command working now?
Wait, I will try.
Okay. You got a problem? Can you share your screen? Yeah. Okay, I can see your code. One second. Okay, what's the issue? All right. Okay. All right, so on line 14, I can already see a message here. I can already see an error, sorry. So in line 14, you want to go ahead, click on behind the big. You want to click, you want to tab, you want to make sure it's indented. Because the way Python works is that you need to, it only knows if a part of, if a section of the code is under this block, if it's under the if statement, only if it's indented. So let me show you what I mean right here. So right now, your code is like this. It's all in like one big line, right? So because Python doesn't know if this is like a separate thing or if it's under the if statement, right? So it doesn't work like C++ or C. Because in C and C++, you don't need the indentation. You just need it to be inside the brackets. Since we don't have brackets here, you need to use the indentation. So just go ahead and press tab. Here, it'll work, and then press tab again on this line. All right, thank you, Jubair. All right, any more issues? Yeah, all good? You good? Yeah, stream. I'll help you. Brother Mahbub al-Rahman, Muhammad Mahbub al-Rahman. I will explain after this. Just let me help this brother out, yes. Okay, what's the issue? Okay, so here, you use the function sleep, but you didn't import it, right? So what you're gonna do is scroll to the first line of your code. Go up. Yes, and you wanna type from time import sleep. So I'll show you the code right here. What you're missing, you're just missing this line of code. So from time import sleep. So what we're doing here is accessing the time library. We're importing the function sleep. This function allows us to temporarily stop the execution or what's happening for a set amount of time. So for example, here we're using, I think it's seconds or milliseconds. I think it's milliseconds actually, yeah. All right. Because we don't want it to check for the message only once every second, right? We want it to continuously keep checking. All right. Okay, so for brother Mahbub Rahman, so from lines 8 to 10, here we defined our function, we called it action, and we gave it the input message. This message is an array, it's a list, it's a data structure that you can extract stuff from. So here, for example, here we extracted the chat ID from the message. This is essentially a 2D array. So here we extracted the chat column and the ID column. And here we extracted the text. So this is anything or everything that's not included in the chat ID columns and rows. And then we set that to the command. All right. Okay. All right, I'm glad you get it. All right, any more issues?
I still cannot get the second command.
Okay, can I see your code?
Yes.
1 second, brother, I'll come back to you. All right, let me see.
Oh, this one.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the console, all right. Okay. All right, let me see. All right, can you scroll down to line 20 and after? Okay, while asleep, okay. All right, scroll up again. Okay. All right. Now, have you tried stopping the code and running again? Okay. All right. Can you try go to your Telegram? We're only seeing your application window, by the way, not your Telegram. Okay. All right. Okay, so you already created your bot, right? Can you scroll up? Okay, so you generated your bot here, and now you're trying. What I see is happening is you're trying to access your bot through the bot folder, which is wrong. So now, if you go to Nazim bot 98, Nazim 98 underscore bot. After that message, you got a congratulations text, right? So you want to click on the link t.me/Nazim98 up there. Yeah, click on that. It'll open a chat. Now you can press start. You can test out your commands here now. There you go. All right. All right. Okay, is anybody else having issues, brother? You had an issue? Oh, you solved. Okay. Oh, that was you. Okay. Okay, alhamdulillah. Yes. Oh, you want to delete every message in the chat? Let me see if I can do that. You can like clear history. You can enable auto delete or just delete everything. But I don't want to do that, so I'm not gonna do that. But I showed you how, right? All right. Okay, any more issues before we proceed to the next part? Okay? All right. Okay, for a keychain, who here knows what a list or an array is? Give us a good explanation, you can get this. A list/array. Now explain what it is. Set. Okay. Same as an array, okay. Okay, so in Python, okay, how do you declare a list in Python? Okay, so how do you do that? So do I have to name it or just write square brackets? Okay, so do I do this and then put the values like 1, 2, 3, or what? Fine. Okay, yes. So we can name it like list or nums. Is this correct? Okay, nice. Here is your swag. Fadiha, can you pass to Ibrahim? All right. You got a keychain from Thailand. It's really cool. A friend of mine gave it when I met him at the last Google event. Aman, brother Aman, come join.
I have a question.
Yes. Yes.
This part is like one way competition, because like we set the question and we set what the bot's gonna answer.
Yeah.
Can we do like for example, if we ask what's your name and they say my name is Malik's bot.
Yeah.
That Malik's bot is input. Can we take that input and then we say like, and then we reply back with
Hi, Mali. Okay, we can do that. No problem. So you want the bot? Let me just illustrate this. You want the bot to ask, "What's your name?" And you want the user to respond back with whatever name they want, and then you want to respond with. You want the bot to respond with "Hello, Big Funny" or something like this, right? Okay. It'll be a bit complicated for a beginner workshop, but we can do it. That's not a problem. I'll show you how to do it. It's up to you guys. Okay, you can do that. I don't mind. Yeah, Miraz, come help him, bro. Okay. Well, we fixed our technicalities. Just stay tuned. Okay, so if we have time, I'll show you how to program this. That's not a problem. Is this better for you guys? Miraz, is your bot working? Why? Share your screen. I'll help you fix it. Okay. All right, can you zoom in so I can see what the error is? All right. Okay. All right, I see no issues with your code. Okay, I don't think you need to pass the second argument there, the API telegram.org/bot. If you go on line 8, yeah, you don't need to pass that. Oops, light is gone. You can delete the comma there as well on line number 7. At the end of line number 7, you could delete the comma there as well. And just have a closed bracket. Yes. Okay. Now, what's the issue? Your code is not running or what? It was running? Okay, now so it's installing the packages, installing the missing libraries, and then it'll join up. Okay, do you have your Telegram open? Your Telegram. Can you show us your Telegram? Oh, your Telegram's on your phone. Okay, no worries. Maybe you can join from your phone and stream. I'm joking. Okay, so do you have access to your you have access to your token, right? So do you have access to your bot's chat? Are you in chat with your bot? Not the bot father, your bot. Okay, so if you look at the congratulations message, if you look at my screen, go to the bot father. If you look at the congratulations message, it'll give you a link, t.me/the bot's name. If you click on it, it'll open a chat with your bot, the bot that you created. And it'll click on /start, and then you can text with it. Is that working for you? Or is there more problems? It is? Okay, that's good. All right. You can stop streaming now. All is good. Okay, is everybody ready? We're going to proceed to the next part now. This is going to be a little interesting. We're going to use Bing's AI to generate some data for us, and then we're going to use that to send a response. Okay? All right, so we're going to go to Google and look up Bing Chat. Here we're going to click on this. If you're using Microsoft Edge, by the way, which you should, it'll let you use the, what's it called? It'll let you use the bot without like any issues. So if you can go here, you can just write, generate a list Python array of 10 jokes, 10 programming puns. So here it'll generate some data for us. So instead of having to, just create or make something up, you can just use this. This is one of the use cases of AI where you can use it to generate like data. I mean, like obviously it's not real. You can't use it to generate like, predictions of the future or whatever, because it'll most likely be wrong. And this is one of the few use cases where you can use its hallucination issues for the better. So you can just use it to generate false data. You can also use it to the prompt. Oh, okay. So just generate a Python array of 10 or for 10 programming puns. This is the prompt. You can use any generative AI model. But for me, I'm using the Bing AI because this is the one I synergize with the most. I enjoy it better. Huh?
Google person using
But you can use Bart, you can use Bing, you can use anything you want. It's all GPT, so it's essentially going back to the same guy. Not all of it, but Bart has its own thing, but it's just, for now. All right, now, has everybody generated their AI or their data? All right, so you're gonna go ahead and copy it. Click on this copy button, go to your replit, create a new file. We're gonna name it puns.py. Okay. And then here we're gonna paste our data, our generated puns. Okay. All right, is everybody good? Come on, good? You're late, huh? No worries. If you want, you can go to replit.com. You can go to Google, look up Replit, or just look up Replit, click on the link, log in, and then create a new Replit with the Python template. Name it whatever you want, and then from there, I'll help you out. You can share your screen after you do it, and I'll help you out on what to do. Okay, so everybody has their data? Online peeps, you all good?
Brother.
Yes, Amirul.
I missed the pun. How do you get it?
Okay, no problem. So what I did, is I looked up Bing Chat. Okay?
Yeah.
You can use ChatGPT or Google Bard. That's not a problem. And then here I came and typed this prompt. I asked it to generate a Python array for 10 programming puns.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. And then after that, it sent me this, and then you can copy it and then paste it into your new file, puns.py. I want to rename this to just puns. I'm just gonna... All right. So is everybody good so far? Yafa, Ayman, all is good? Yahya, good? You all good? All right. Okay, now to the next part. Now we're going to go back to our main file. We're going to go like this. From puns, import puns. Okay? All right, so what we're doing here is from our file, puns, we're importing the puns list. So here we created an array or a list. We called it puns. We're just importing it into our main file. All right? So that we can use this list in this file, because we don't want to just use it here. We just want to keep our code clean. We don't want to clutter everything, have like 20,000 lines of code. We don't want that. So we're going to import it. We're going to create a new file, list all the data there, and then import it. All right? Everybody good? Online peeps, you all good? All is good, right? Okay, now from this list, every time we want to see the command joke or slash joke or tell me a joke, we want it to select a joke from here or a pun from here and then send it back to the user, okay? How we're going to do that is from, we're going to import a library called random. I'm going to put this at the top so it looks nice. And go here, make it our fourth line so it looks symmetrical there. So we're going to import random. And here in our action function, we're going to list, or we're going to add this part. So elif command equals to tell me a joke. Or if you want to go like, technical or look like a developer, you can just do a slash joke. Command is slash joke. You want to big funny dot, oops, dot send message. Pass in the chat ID. And then here's the tricky part. So you want to go to random choice. Oh, sorry, random dot choice. And you want to pass in the puns array or the puns list. Okay? I'll explain what this does in a second. But so far, are you good? All is good? All right, we'll give you guys another swag. All right, for this sticker, who here can tell me what this line of code does? You got twice, man. You already got a swag. Right? Yes, Ayman. Yes, it does send to the messenger. What does it send? Sorry? A random pun. Yes, correct. All right, come grab your swag, man. Nice. Here's your sticker, man. You come again for better ones next time. There. You can do like me. Collection. I have one of those, on my laptop. Actually, I have one of those here. One of the trucks. I have this one, also a truck. Really cool. Yeah, I have a collection. All right. So is everybody good so far? To the what? The import. Oh, yes, of course. All right, here you go. This is the line that we just wrote. Yahya, you good? Alhamdulillah. Is your bot working? Still not working? Huh? Oh, what's the matter? Share your screen. I'll get you on track. Aman, you good? Have you launched your Replit? Okay. Yeah, you don't have to copy the code exactly. First, you want to go to Telegram. Right. Look up botfather. Go to the search bar, botfather. You want to look up botfather, okay? And you want to type the command new bot. Right, and then it'll prompt you some stuff. You can use your mobile phone as well. That's not a problem. Yeah, it's it's a fridge magnet. Yeah, not a keychain. My bad. You have a fridge, you can use it. Hi, Aman, are you good? All right. So here, okay, after you finish it, just let me know so I can tell you what to do next. All right, so have you guys tried the command yet? I will stop the code and then run it again so it updates that we have a new command. All right, so we're going to go to our bot. We're going to go to the chat. We're going to type /joke. Okay. And now we can see this silly little pun because it didn't get erased. Bro, that's hilarious. It's laggy, bro. Sorry? Okay, so if we do it again, we'll get a different joke, most likely. Why did the programmer die in the shower? Damn. You read the shampoo bottle instructions? Lather, rinse, repeat. Lather, rinse, repeat. Ay. Okay, so we'll try it a few more times. Except Chris. Oct31 equals, okay. This is for like the technical peeps. I'm sure you probably get it. Yeah, because I think octa is like it's the number system. Yeah, if you change the octa 31 to decimal, it would be 25. Yeah, for those of you who get it. Do you get it? Yeah, share your screen. I'll help you. Sorry? Huh? All right, let's see. Okay. All right. What's the problem? Can you scroll down to your code? Okay, let's go back to the command. /joke. Okay. Send message. All right, there should be a problem. Okay. Oh yeah, so okay, so if you go back to the main.py, in the import, you need to import programming _ puns. So from puns, import program underscoring puns, line number 4. From puns, import, no, at the end, the second puns. Programming _ puns, yes. Now it's fine. Now, if you go back to your command and change the name, go to your command, to your thing first. Go to your code. No, the main.py, the main file. Scroll down. You'll go to your command, random.choice, programming _ puns. One, please. Thank you, boss. Brother Yafa, getting us the tea like a man, like a gentleman. Okay. Stop and start. Okay. There you go. She had too many issues. Wow. Should have debugged better. All right, what's up, Miraz? All right. Thank you, brother Yafa.
This one is like sweeter than before.
Sweeter than before, because you brought it, right? Make sure to check out WowT. Scan the QR to be in contact with them. You can have them bring tea to your events. You can order a pot or two. They are the best. They are also sponsoring today's event. So thanks to them, this is all possible. Alhamdulillah. Yes, Miraz. The problem is line 21. So you imported programming puns, but you're choosing from the puns list, which doesn't exist. So you want to choose, random.choice / programming _ puns. Yep. Now, if you stop it and then run it, it should work. Okay, you're seeming to face another error. Can you go to the puns.py file? Okay. What? Okay, so yeah, you switched the name again. All right, go back to the main file. So import puns, from puns, import puns. There's no more programming puns. Okay, and then you want to go to the choice and then change it to puns. And now it should work. You try running. It's not working? Okay, can you back to the puns file? I think there's something with the puns file. Like, so much errors. Hold on. Go back to the main file. In your debug or in your console thing, can you scroll down to the lowest part? To the last part of the error. This is the last part? Okay.
I think the Telegram token is maybe not correctly copied.
The Telegram token is wrong?
I guess.
It was working the first time, huh? Okay. Can you zoom out? Oh, yeah, okay, I see the error. There's a space in your token. If you look at line number 9, 6JH, before it, there's a space. There's not supposed to be a space. Elias, good catch, bro. All right, it's working now? All right, let's go. All right. All right, is everybody good now? Okay, sisters, y'all good? Yafa, you good? Okay, so now we're gonna try to implement this. Okay, we're gonna try to make the user ask, "What's your name?" And based on that input, we're gonna have the bot respond with, and based on the input, which is here, Big Funny, we're gonna have the bot respond with the name given by the user. Okay, that makes sense. So the bot will ask, "What's your name?" The user will respond, "My name is Big Funny," or whatever. And then the bot will respond with, "Hello, Big Funny," or whatever the name is. All right? We're going to go create a new file. We're going to name it response.py. Okay? We're going to import teleport. What we're going to do is just copy paste. Okay? We're going to import teleport and time. We're going to copy this, copy time. paste it, copy random, and then paste it again. But not random, sorry, I meant teleport. Okay. All right, so the AI, the Replit AI generator already generated the code for me, so I'm just gonna press tab, and my code is there already, all right? We're gonna name the bot BigFunny123 one more time, and call the teleport library, call the bot function, pass our token, and we will execute this now, okay? All right, let me just copy paste so we know what the flow is gonna look like, all right? Okay, so we're gonna have the bot ask the question first, and then the user respond, and then the bot will respond again, all right? So let's see if there's, what is this? Okay, so we're gonna create the action function one more time. Pass in the message, extract the chat ID one more time. And text. We're gonna stop this, by the way, so I'm gonna these. Yeah, so. Okay. Okay, here's something interesting. We're gonna use the AI. It's built into Replit, so we can generate this code. Okay, so we're gonna prompt it with write or make the bot do this. Very simple stuff. We're gonna copy this and paste it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it understands the concept, but it's giving us wrong code. So we're just gonna dismiss that. Okay. Okay, let's define another function. We're gonna call it greeting. Okay. This is gonna be big funny. 1, 2, 3. Send message. Great. Chat ID. And then what's your name? You can also pass message into this, by the way. What we can do is just chat. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, now that we've prompted the user, we want to accept the response, right? So actually, we don't need the text here. Okay, let me just try to think this through. We're accepting the response. We're going to have okay. Set uppercase. No, we don't want that. Okay. How about this? We just come here, we just type if text. Okay. Sorry? Yeah, so how we extract it is like this. If my name is this, then we're gonna set the name equal to command equal to text. There's a way to remove text from Python string. How to remove it. Right, so text dot replace. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna replace text dot replace. My name is, or sorry, is with nothing. It's an empty string. Hello plus text. Or name, sorry. Is that everything? We're just gonna dismiss this function, just forget about it. Okay, now we're gonna go back to the main file, copy the loop, or sorry, copy these two, and paste it back. Paste those here. Everything's properly indented, by the way. Okay, we will try it now. This will be our first attempt. So the command is, my name is Malik. This works on the first try? Okay. Is this running? Okay, we'll stop this, by the way. Okay, let me just stop this. Okay, I get the problem. I think it's only running the main file, not this. We're gonna have to copy this, comment all of this. So it doesn't execute, and just try this out first. Okay, let me try it so far. Okay, there we go. So you wanted something like, you wanted the bot to prompt the user and then ask, so we can go here. Before it does that, it can be like, big funny dot send message. We're gonna pass the chat ID. And then be like, what's your name? We're gonna stop this and run it again. So now the bot will prompt us. What's your name? And be like, my name is Mark. Okay, yeah, see, we don't want it to repeat it twice, so that's a little tricky. Okay, we can take this out. Function. Just put it here, all right? This is tricky because it's gonna keep executing again. Okay, how about we have a trigger? Then we will have the bot. No, big funny. Okay, that's a message. We'll have it. So essentially, we'll have a trigger. It'll trigger this thing. Should be like if the. Okay, I'll just code it and then demonstrate it for you. Okay. Okay. Try this.
In line 26, you need to change MSA to set ID.
Sorry.
Line 26, set ID.
Chat ID.
Not, not
Oh
MSA.
yeah. Okay, my bad. Thank you, Elias, or whoever that was. Good catch. Okay, so we'll try this. Still not working. No, it's M now. Sorry. What's your name? My name is Malik. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is a little tricky to figure out, but I will figure it out before I send you guys the resources after this workshop. But for now, we'll just save this. We'll comment it out, and then bring this back. This part is working for everybody, right? This part first. If it's working for everybody, we should be fine. Get the random joke every time? That's fine. Okay, do you guys want to try something else? Like generate random, I don't know. Sorry? What? UK slang. Okay, if we have a better suggestion than that, you can get a bracelet. Ah, okay. All right, come. Take this. Okay, we're gonna prompt the AI to generate random data. So like false data. We're gonna ask it to hallucinate for us, make up some data, like average household income or something, and then so we're gonna have it generate a list of like 20 people for 20 households, and then we'll ask it to, and then we'll send out like the average of that to the bot, I guess. So generate a list of 20 first. Okay. Oh, okay. So it got this from a legitimate resource. So it did not hallucinate. It got this from the Department of Statistics in Malaysia. Okay. All right, instead of actually writing the data, give us a function that'll generate that data. Okay, we can use that, no problem. So we already have the import, the random library implemented. So we're just gonna go to our, we're gonna go to our puns file. We're gonna add one more thing. We're gonna be like average household income, or just AVG income. We're gonna go up here for, okay, this is tricky. Hold on. You go to the main, paste this here. Yeah, this should work. This should work better here. And then we're gonna have elif command equal to income. So generate like, okay. Okay, so this is what it did. It's gonna send back the average income, like the string average income is, and then it'll take the average income list and print it out. But we don't want that, so let me just show you the demonstration of this for now. Okay, income. Yeah, we don't want the array, we want the average of all of these numbers. So what we're gonna do here is gonna go divided by length of AVG. Yeah, we're just gonna use the sum function, yeah. We're gonna sum all of these. Divided by the amount of items in the array. So we're gonna have the sum of all the numbers here. So once we generate the numbers in this array, we're gonna sum them up together and then divide them by 20, or by the length of the array, right? We're gonna stop, run again.
I think we have an extra parenthesis.
An extra what?
Parenthesis.
Are you sure? You wanna bet? Nah, that's correct. Right, don't worry. If there's an extra parentheses, it'll let me know. Yeah, see? We're like highlighted red, but we don't, so. Okay, we're gonna stop, run again. We're gonna ask for the income. That's the average, okay? We can ask for it again, by the way. Not sure if it'll give us the same number. Yeah, it'll give us the same number if we stop, run it again. It'll give us a different number. So we can also do something like floor division. So instead of getting like 0.65, it'll floor it. It'll give you like 0.0 or something like that. So if you go to the slash, you'll get double. If you double slash, it'll floor it. Okay. So you won't get the decimal point. It'll just give you a whole number. All right. Is it working for everybody? Online people, y'all good? It's a lot of tabs. Oh yeah, Miraz, right? I saw, bro. Nur Zulfa Inshira, are you okay? Okay, if you don't respond, I'm guessing everybody's okay, or you're okay. Alright, so this is the code for those of you who still want a copy. Meanwhile, I'm gonna sip on my amazing, delicious wow tea. Hashtag sponsored, by the way. But this is water, though. All of my code? Okay. Oh, you want some more, down? Okay, you can tell me which line you want and I'll go there. You can just delete this for now. Put this here. Okay, so let's see, what do we have? What can I give you guys? We have a headband and a lanyard. Okay, we'll give out the lanyard, or we'll give out the headband. So who here can give me an explanation to what's happening here? Line number 15. For this headband that you could wear like this. Yeah, I know you like headbands. Wait, what'd you say? Yeah, talk. I don't hear you. What'd you say? Okay, well, so this line is used to take the data. Take it from where? From the puns? Yeah, you answered twice, bro. Calm down. From the puns. Okay, so we use the random library. Right here, random. We selected a random integer between the range of 5,000 to 10,000. Okay, and we're gonna add all of this into our list here 20 times. What does this mean? Okay, fine, Ibrahim. But you won't get the headband. You already have a spec.
So for average income,
Yes.
putting the values for random integer between 5,000 to 10,000, and it does this for 20 values in that array.
Okay, so it generates 20 values in the range of 5,000 to 10,000. Right. Yes, that's correct. You can claim your headband here. Walk over here. Come. I'm joking. You don't want the headband? No, I can give it to Yafa if you don't want it. Yeah, come take it, bro. Throw it. There's people in front of you. Take the picture. Come. Yeah. Pog. All right, for those of you who are online, you should have came. It's okay, we had tea, nice drinks. We have great people here. All right. Hey, it's a headband. Give it to him. You don't want it, right? Oh, you look like a broccoli, bro. Yes, of course. Do you want to know where we got this from? The average income is here. So in the average income, instead of just putting numbers, we randomly generated 20 values and put them in this array. Does that make sense? So here we generated 20 values in the range of 5,000 to 10,000. And when we go to our bot, we'll ask it for income. It'll give us a floored value because here, floored value because we're floored division. We don't take decimals. Okay, Aman, are you good? Are you caught up? Huh? You sure? All right. Oh, what are they asking? How long is the session for? Until 7. That's the latest. So at 7, we will all dismiss. But if you want to leave earlier, that's no problem. For now, this is all, but I will help you out if you have errors in your code. or if you want, we can try to implement something. This is a little complicated because the way we use the action function is different than what you'd think. So it's gonna stay on hold for a while, but I'll email you guys all the resources, all the complete code with this functionality implemented soon, inshallah, after the event. How many people we have? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, that's not bad. 12. Plus online, we have 31. 40 people, that's not bad. Okay. Take a picture of Yafa, man. We're putting this on our Instagram. And tag him, bro. He has like thousands of followers. Free clout. Okay, for our final swag. Who can tell me what this hashtag means? Hashtag. It makes the line green, right? What does that mean? Hold on, raise your hand. Okay, we'll have a countdown. Then you get first to raise their hand, we get picked, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I saw Yahya first.
You didn't say how long was the count. I was waiting for that.
Okay, Ilyas, I'm guessing Ilyas used my code because he can access my bot now. So yeah, make sure you hide this, yeah? Yeah.
Oh, I see. You know it's me.
Yeah, of course I know it's you, bro. Nobody would do this stuff for you. So Yahya, what does the hashtag do? Yes, it's a comment. That's right. Come claim your lanyard now. Good job, man. Big boss. First event. First year student, by the way. Come, Yahi. Picture. Hold on. I have to do the pog face. Yalla, enjoy. GDSC IIUM is the best. I agree. Yeah, stop, bro. I'm deleting this bar after this. I feel violated, bro. You copied my code. Yeah, so this just, shows the importance of hiding this kind of stuff. So usually what people would do is create a new file, name it like secret.py. Then they'll have like the token here equals to whatever. And then they'll say they copy this. And they save it here. And in the main file, instead of like putting the actual token here, they'll be like from secret import token. And then here, instead of putting the actual like string of the token, you can just put the variable token. And if you want to make sure or double check if it works or not, it should work. /joke. Yes, can you turn off your bot?
Yeah, I used it once.
I used it once. Okay. All right. Still installing some packages. Yeah, because we use the secret.py file, it's gonna do some stuff to encrypt that information, I think, behind the scenes or something. But we'll just wait for this. Okay. You can also do this in your IDE, by the way. So if you want to host it locally, that's also possible. But the reason I use Replit because it's the easiest one to or the easiest IDE to use and get started with. Since it's on the web, there's no installation needed, and there's not much stuff to do. Okay. In the secret file? Oh, this is just a demonstration. It's just to hide my token. So Elias just now, he just copy pasted my token and used it in his program because he's a smart ass. In order to fight that. Ah, there you go. Okay, the program is working now. We'll write joke one more time. So what's other? Oh. Hi. Yeah. Maybe for a future workshop, I can show you guys how to use ChatGPT, or link up ChatGPT's API with this Telegram bot, so you could chat with ChatGPT through your Telegram bot. If that makes sense, but you need your own private token for that. Yes, Ibrahim. Yes, of course. Showcase your bot. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna ask you some questions. I expect some swags. You should give me swags.
So this is the bot.
Okay.
It detects if there's any bad words. Let's say you have a big Telegram group and you're banning some bad words from entering your chat. So this is what the code does. Checks in for bad words in the badwords.txt file.
Okay.
For the bad words, I've used some really bad examples.
Okay.
And it checks it. This is the regular code, okay? It sends the message, no cursing.
So every time it detects a curse message or curse word in the chat, it will respond with no cursing.
Yeah. Like,
Okay,
for example,
wow.
let's use fudge. See?
Oh, that's really
Yeah.
cool, bro. Wow.
So this is a useful example.
Wow, that's a great way to apply the knowledge you learned here today. Thank you, GDSC. Haram. Wow.
Oh, it's a good idea. You can do that.
Can you showcase how you do that?
Sure. So you just go to your main and change this. It's very simple. It's programming. Haram Habibi.
Haram, baby.
Okay. And then let's reset the code so it's back on server. Now let's try.
Haram,
As you
baby.
can see,
Oh, mashallah.
so easy.
Wow. What a great way to, what a positive way to use your knowledge, to apply your knowledge, you know? Make the world a better place, mashallah. We should all learn from Brother Ibrahim today. He keeps asking questions, you know, he got 2 wrong, but he finally answered like 1 or 2 correctly. So, you know, that also shows us that, you know, no matter how hard you fail, keep trying. Even if you fail twice on a row with like simple questions. I'm joking, of course. Thank you all for joining us. Online peeps, anybody want to showcase their code? Anybody else want to showcase their code from you as well? Yeah, Ayman. Yeah, showcase. Are you in the meeting? Are you in the Discord? You can check the announcements. You'll see the meeting link there. After this, I'll show you another way or another thing we can do with using the same principle of the puns here, since we had like a list of puns and we randomly selected one of them. We're just going to do the same thing, but for facts. So we're going to choose a random fact and send it to the person every time they ask for a random fact or a fun fact. If that makes sense. Okay, I'm on. right, Ayman.
Okay. So mana? This one. Yeah. Right. Okay. So you're spreading. Okay. So this Telegram bot can download YouTube videos.
Whoa.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is in JavaScript, so you did
Yeah.
not learn this from here.
No,
Get out.
I translate.
Translate.
I open Google Translate, copy paste the code, and just
Okay.
become JavaScript. See?
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Yeah,
Sheikh
yeah,
Google, very smart.
Yeah. I open Google Translate. Yeah. See?
Okay.
We have Java here.
MashaAllah.
You say only one.
What
Oh,
IDE
share.
are you using?
Yeah. Huh?
What IDE are you using?
I'm using WebStorm.
WebStorm, MashaAllah. Not Replit, huh?
Yeah. But I still can follow the lesson lah.
Yeah, can. Bro,
Yeah.
you can actually host your JavaScript project on Replit.
Oh yeah. See, I have Java translator here.
Okay.
Yeah. I said it on GitHub lah after this.
Okay. No problem. Wow, that's really good. Where's your token? I want to see your token.
Ah,
I want to see your token.
it's gone.
Ah, it's gone, huh?
It's gone.
All right, wow, very nice. Okay. All right. Anybody else want to showcase before I show you guys how to change it into a simple factoid random fact generator? Okay. All right, we'll get started with this one. So we're going to go back to Bing Chat. Generate a Python array of 20 random factoids or fun facts. Okay, so here is like a positive use case for the knowledge we learned today. So we used Bing AI to generate a bunch of data, and from that data we randomly selected it, or we randomly picked one and sent it to the user whenever they requested. Right? We're gonna apply the same principle, but for fun facts instead of puns. We're gonna do something useful. Oh wow, okay. So we're just gonna copy this part. All right, so yeah, it's not letting me scroll. Okay, we're just gonna copy this. We're gonna create a new file, name it facts.py. Paste this here. We're gonna delete this part. We don't need the random, and we don't need the random. Okay. Now from here, we can go back to our, let's close this for starters. We can go back to our main file. We're gonna be like, from facts, import, what's the, yeah, fun facts. Fun facts. Okay. Now, if we have the user sending the command fact or fun fact or /fact, we'll return the funny.send message at ID random.choice fun facts. Right, yep. I can stop and run. And you can just be like /fact. All right? Yeah. Okay, it's still doing some installations. Okay. Yeah, we did not close this. My bad. I'll run one more time. Okay. Send it back. Okay, so just one online. The largest collection of garden gnomes is over 4,000. Oh wow, that's a lot of gnomes. Fact. Wow. I'm just learning so much more. Yeah, so it'll basically generate or send back a random fact from this list of facts and send it to the user every time they request for a fact. Now, is there any questions about this? Is everybody having problems implementing this? Good? All right. Online peeps? All right. Is there any problems? No issues? Okay. Okay. If there's no problems, in 10 minutes we'll have a photo session and we'll dismiss. We will, what's the word? We will close our session, inshallah. Elias, do you have a bot you want to showcase? Oh yeah, that's also one of the use cases of Telegram bots. You can have a list and it'll give you like status on if the company is like halal or not. So that's a nice use case, and inshallah, very halal. Jakim checker bot. Thank you for sharing, Fikri. Oh, Ayman, that's your code, huh? So you applied the knowledge today from Python and translated to Java, huh?
Yeah.
MashaAllah. How did you get the Jakim API? Actually, you can find Jakim API. Yeah, so, wow, okay. I guess it's free, Elias. Oh, you scraped it from the web. Oh my God. Say, please, inshallah, we'll get. Inshallah. Please, Ayman. Wow, so Fikri, you scraped the website, the Jakim Lal. Okay, I don't understand Malay. But I'm guessing this is something like the industry it's in, like cosmetics, yeah, logistics. I don't know what the rest are. And this is like the state, I guess, yeah. Okay. I'm guessing this is the expiration of the halal certificate, so that's good. So I'm guessing you had your bot look up or use this search bar to look up the company, and then from there, let's see, type like McDonald's. Yeah, Malaysian websites. Let's go. Yeah, so it used okay, it looked up McDonald's and then it checked if the certificate is valid or not. Yeah, okay. That's a really interesting way to do it. Perhaps maybe Fikri can create an API, He can host it. Jakim server is new, bro. I see. So, Fikri, did you use Selenium to scrape the website, or what'd you use? How'd you scrape it? Oh, Fikri's code is open source. Let's look at check out the code. Oh, Nide HTML parser. Okay. By the way, those of you who are thirsty, there's still some tea outside. Let's try to finish it, because wastage is haram. Sorry? Ah, I did not know that. Okay, so if you guys check your emails, you just got an email from our GDSC platform. If you have any suggestions, any feedback, you can write it there. What would you think of this session? What would you like to see and everything? Now I want to see your index.js. Yeah, JavaScript, man. What was it called again? Let's look at the. At Jakim Checkerbot. Jakim. Hello. Oh. Your product or premise? So let's go like chicken rice. Or the chicken rice shop. Fikri, what's happening, huh? Lag? Oh, okay, there you go. Oh yeah, because the Jakim servers are really bad. Oh yeah. Okay, so it expires. Wow, that's really good, bro. Maybe we could have you, give us a workshop or host a workshop on how to create this kind of bot, which is really cool. Sorry? Click the URL. Yeah, so I guess I was right. What the bot essentially did, just entered the company's name into the search bar and checked out the first input. Right. Yeah. Am I right? Yeah, so 31st December 2025. Yeah. That's good. You can check for international companies too. Wow. Okay, I think that'll be all for today. Oops. Be sure to fill out the... Okay, let me just stop streaming. How do you stop streaming? Oh, this one. Okay, thank you guys so much for joining us, both physically and online. Hope you guys enjoyed something. Hope you learned something. Sorry, and enjoyed the session today. Be sure to fill out the form that was emailed to you just now. While you're still here, there'll be a lot of help. So we would learn more about what you want in the future and how you could improve. Thank you, Prof. Malik. I'm not a professor. Shoaib, say it, bro. Can you showcase your bot, Shoaib? Showcase your bot, Shoaib. No? Okay. He's shy? I believe you. Okay, who else is here? Okay, yeah. Thank you all so much for joining. If you want to open your camera, we'll have a digital photo session, and then the physical people will go after this. Open your camera, we'll have screenshots. It's lagging. Valorant API? Yeah, hold on. Oh, this is to check for agents, or like to check for the users. To check like the user's stats, like kills, bots. It's really cool. Wow. Maybe we can have something like that next workshop. Inshallah, inshallah. All right. Brother Yafa with the headband, huh? Okay, we'll take some screenshots now. Show the wow T. All right, one more. Hold on, I gotta show this. All right, one. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3. You're not ready? All right, okay, I'll just save this for now. Ayman, open your camera, bro. Switch this. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 3. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining. Hope you learned something useful today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Scan the WAV TQR right now. First to contact them gets a free cup right now. Free cup.
Just a cup?
Yeah, like a cup of tea. All right. Thank you all so much for joining. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.